Today, we will practice useful English at a train station.
This is perfect for traveling in Japan or overseas.
We will learn phrases for tickets, platforms, transfers, delays, and lockers.
The English will be slow, clear, and easy to repeat.
Let's practice like we are really traveling by train.
Let's enjoy useful train station English together. We finally arrived at the station.
Yes, this station is bigger than I expected.
Where should we go first?
First, let's check the departure board.
How do I say "Shubatsu annai" in English?
You can say, departure board.
Let's check the departure board.
Good. That is useful at any station.
I see many train times here.
Right. We need to find our train.
I'm a little nervous.
Don't worry. We'll go step by step.
We need to buy tickets, right?
Yes. The ticket machines are over there.
Can I buy a ticket here?
That is a perfect station phrase.
Can I buy a ticket here?
Good. You can also ask, how much is the fare?
How much is the fare?
Excellent. Fare means the price for transportation.
I want to buy 2 tickets.
You can say, 2 tickets, please.
2 tickets, please.
Perfect. Very simple and useful.
Can we use an IC card here?
Yes. Most stations have IC card gates.
Can I use this card?
That is a very practical question.
Can I use this card?
Good. If you need money on it, say, I need to charge my card.
I need to charge my card.
Exactly. In Japan, charge often means adding money to a card.
The gate opened. Great.
Now, we can go to the platform.
That was easier than I expected.
Yes. IC cards are very convenient.
Which platform should we go to?
Let's ask a station staff member.
Which platform is this train on?
Excellent. That is very useful.
Which platform is this train on?
You can also say, where is platform 3?
Where is platform 3?
Good. Platform means the place where trains arrive and leave.
The sign says platform 3.
Then, let's follow the signs.
Station signs are helpful.
Yes. Just look for the platform number.
Is this the train to Kyoto?
That is one of the most important train phrases.
Is this the train to Kyoto?
Good. You can change Kyoto to any destination.
Is this the train to Osaka?
Perfect. That is very natural.
Does this train stop at Nara?
Excellent. Stop at means teimaru.
Does this train stop at Nara?
Good. That can save you from taking the wrong train.
I'll always check before getting on.
That is a smart habit.
Do we need to transfer?
Yes. We need to transfer at the next station.
Where should we transfer?
That is a great question.
Where should we transfer?
Good. Transfer means changing from one train to another.
How many stops is it?
Very useful. You can use it on buses too.
How many stops is it?
It is 3 stops from here.
Okay, I'll remember that.
Great. Let's watch the station names.
The train is not coming.
It may be delayed.
Is the train delayed?
That is a very important phrase.
Is the train delayed?
Good. Delayed means late.
How long is the delay?
Excellent. That is useful when plans change.
How long is the delay?
The announcement says about 10 minutes.
That's not too bad.
Right. We can wait here.
Our bags are heavy.
Let's use a coin locker.
Where are the coin lockers?
That is a very useful phrase at stations.
Where are the coin lockers?
Good. You can ask station staff or follow the locker signs.
Can we leave our bags here?
Excellent. Leave our bags means 荷物を預ける.
Can we leave our bags here?
Yes, this locker looks big enough.
Now we can walk around easily.
Exactly. Travel is easier with light bags.
I'm getting hungry.
There is a cafe and an ekiben shop over there.
What do you recommend?
That works at restaurants and station shops.
What do you recommend?
I recommend the local bento.
I'll have this bento.
Good. I'll have this as simple and natural.
Can I get a coffee too?
Perfect. That sounds polite.
Let's eat before the train comes.
Good idea. We still have time.
The train is here.
Yes. Let's wait behind the line.
Can we board now?
That is a useful phrase before getting on.
Can we board now?
Good. Board means get on a train, plane, or bus.
Please let people get off first.
Excellent. That is good manners.
Please let people get off first.
Now we can get on.
This was a good train station lesson.
Yes, these phrases are very practical. Let's review the most useful train station phrases.
Sure, I'm ready.
Let's check the departure board.
Let's check the departure board.
Can I buy a ticket here?
Can I buy a ticket here?
Which platform is this train on?
Which platform is this train on?
Is this the train to Kyoto?
Is this the train to Kyoto?
Where should we transfer?
Where should we transfer?
Is the train delayed?
Is the train delayed?
Where are the coin lockers?
Where are the coin lockers?
Thank you for joining our train station English lesson.
We practiced tickets, IC cards, platforms, transfers, delays, and lockers.
These phrases are useful for real travel.
I feel more confident at train stations now.
That is the goal of slow English practice.
Please repeat the phrases many times.
Small phrases can make travel much easier.
Let's enjoy English and travel again.
Thank you for watching.
See you in the next lesson.